Check my Phantom wallet out. $4.3 million all from launching my own meme coins. No hype, no lucky bricks, just a repeatable system. Stay tuned, I'll show you exactly how I pulled it off. Buying meme coins every single hour completely drained me. Every single time I thought I was early on the new meme coin, the devs dumped on me and I was left holding nothing. Now, this might not be a good example, but now that's exactly when I realized launching meme coins completely flips the script. Because when you launch, you are in charge of the timing, the supply, and the entire hype. You have nothing to lose as a creator, and if you keep trading, you have everything to lose. And right now, with Bitcoin breaking highs and Solana currently pumping, by the way, it's above $200 by now. It's the perfect time to start launching, so make sure to keep watching. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Just learn the strategy, but don't copy it. A lot of people go on Pump.Fun or any other website to launch and create meme coins. But Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Thousands of tokens are dropping daily and most are getting buried without any volume. Plus, you don't control your own liquidity, so you are just another holder. But on tokens.io, oh my god, what am I doing, bro? On tokens.io, it's completely different. Your token launches directly to Raydium, instantly graduated and tradable right away to every single person looking at this screen right here. You control the supply, the liquidity, and the profits. I would highly recommend to launch coins on tokens.io. Now on tokens.io, you've got two clear choices to make a meme coin and launch it. The first option and the first choice is to create one from scratch. So go on X, right, and try to look for a good narrative. Well, it's really easy to find one. Like, I could find one right here in 1 second. Boom, this one. This woman has no idea how her life is about to change. That is really good for a narrative. 42 million views. That could be a couple $1,000 straight in my pocket. Yeah, bro. Just anything, right? Just anything here will work. Then come back to tokens.io, set your token's name, symbol, and upload a quick logo. Then hit next, create blah blah blah, and boom, you are live. But the option 2 though, that's my favorite one and the most profitable. The copy trending coins. These coins are already buzzing on Pump.Fun, full of traffic and hype. Launch them here and copy them here and they graduate instantly onto Raydium, giving you instant buyers and bigger profit potential from the start. I would highly recommend to copy coins to begin with to make your first $10,000. Okay, let's quit stalling. Let's actually launch a meme coin right now and make a quick buck. So first of all, make sure Phantom wallet is connected to the website, right? Then refresh list, and we're gonna look for a coin to copy. Which one should I copy? I'm gonna copy the low key, bro. I might go with the handshitification coin. It has a last buy 4 seconds ago. It looks kind of unique, and it has a $22,000 market cap. So crit coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Just go through it. Then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. And boom, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page makes the coin tradable, adding liquidity so the market can flow on Raydium right away. Anyways, the first step is the amount token A. Just click 90%. That's gonna put 900 million tokens into the pool. Right under is for the amount token B. Think of it as you being the first ever buyer in your own coin. It sets down the foundation. But you are not losing a dime like I said before. Just add 0.3 SOL, and when the liquidity is removed later on, that SOL comes right back, straight back to you inside your wallet. Okay, I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above minimum, then create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the coin, right, is now created. Our profits are here, and if you click on refresh for a second time, now we're up $200 fucking dollars on the coin. People are buying our coin. It is showing up on the graduate section. But anyways, now it's time to see the coin. So click on view on Photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen. And as you guys can see, we're up a bit. It has to, load back in the other buys because it's kind of delayed. 1.3 thousand. Oh my god! We just got a huge what? Someone just dumped right after. Bro, what? Dude, nah, bro, that cannot be real, bro. What? We just got a $100 buy. Oh my god. Anyways, bro, do not get emotional like me. It is going to go back up because more and more people are going to start seeing the coin on Raydium, and there's gonna be organic buyers coming in. And like I said, this coin basically is a good narrative. It was copied on createtokens.io, which means there's already proving hype. It's a good narrative. People are going to buy in, possibly. Come on. Yo, it has to pump, right? Am I tripping? Come on. Bro, oh my god. Bro, come on, dog. We're right below $1,000 in market cap. Come on, yes, pump. Yes, $100. Come on, one more big fucking buy. I just want one big buy. Come on. I just want one big buy. Just one pop, one green candle. Come on, bro. Yo, people. Yo, why is yo? Come on. Dude, this shit's killing me, dude. Oh my god! $80! Come on, more! I want more! I want more! I want more, bro. Buy. Yes! Yes! One more buy. Come on. One more buy. One more buy. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's gonna pump! Oh my god! One more buy, one more buy. One more big buy. Oh my god, bro! Should I remove the liquidity right now? Okay guys, you know what? I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back, so enjoy the show. Alright, I'm back. We're pushing $8,000 in market cap, 2.5k in liquidity. Things are looking mad good. The volume is really consistent. Anyways, if you want to make some money, come back to createtokens.io. Then click on the refresh button for a third time. And boom, we're up $1,700. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Oh my god, bro. I don't like this shit. And now as you guys can see, I'm going to receive this amount of money, then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you make a coin, dump it, and print generational wealth. If I open my Phantom White for proof, boom, $1,600.